Let's dive into the common issues plaguing construction site reporting. These challenges not only affect project timelines, but also inflate costs and compromise safety. Understanding these problems is the first step toward finding effective solutions. In 2019, a major structural failure occurred at the Opal Tower in Sydney. The $165 million high-rise had to be fully evacuated due to severe cracking. The investigation revealed that multiple construction issues went unreported during critical inspection phases. The cost of repairs and settlements over $36 million. But this isn't just about one building. According to the Construction Industry Institute, delayed or incomplete site reporting leads to an average of 7.6% cost overrun in major construction projects. Think about your own experience. How many hours do you spend writing reports after every site visit? How many details get lost between inspection and documentation? Imagine converting your entire site walkthrough into a comprehensive report in minutes, not hours. Sound impossible? Meet Site Report Builder. Finally, a solution that transforms the way you handle site inspections. No more juggling between notebooks, cameras, and assistants. Simply walk through your site, record your observations on your phone, and let our AI do the heavy lifting. Your spoken words become perfectly formatted reports. Every construction term, every technical detail captured with pinpoint accuracy. The system automatically extracts key images from your video and organizes them into a professional document. What used to take 5 hours now takes 15 minutes. But this isn't just about saving time. It's about protecting your projects, your reputation, and your bottom line. With Site Report Builder, you're not just documenting, you're creating a comprehensive, searchable archive of every inspection. Every detail is preserved, every observation recorded. Think about what you could do with an extra 700 hours per year or with an extra $100,000. That's what our average user saves. Whether you're a civil engineer, architect, or professional inspector, you can focus on what truly matters, ensuring project success and safety. The best part? Everything is customizable, from field reports to safety inspections. Every template can be tailored to your specific needs. Add your company logo, incorporate blueprints, annotate images. It's all there at your fingertips. Don't let another day of manual report writing slow you down. Visit sitereportbuilder.com now and transform your inspection process forever. Your future self will thank you. Remember the Opal Tower? That could have been prevented with proper documentation. Don't wait for a crisis to improve your reporting process. Take control today. Visit sitereportbuilder.com and start your free trial. Because in construction and design, documentation isn't just paperwork, it's protection.